Hey guys, 100% perfect girl. Ye old tissue up ye nose because I'm sniffly today. I don't know if I'll upload this. Things are okay. It's Sunday. I hate Sundays. I might be going to go see my friend's son because he wants to hang out today, but I think he's gonna wanna, and I kind of don't really want to today, to be honest. So I don't know. We'll see. This is so silly. Look at this water bottle that my boyfriend got for me. It's so cute. What a lovely thing to get me. He was like, here, you don't drink enough water. There you go. So nice. I'm sad because he's working a lot, and our schedules are out of sync. So we're not really talking a lot at the moment, which is fine. Like, I know he has work, and I have work too, but I just miss him at times. I was gonna go for breakfast with my best friend this morning, but she was a bit busy in the end. So I just ordered, because you can just deliver it, I just ordered the breakfast at my house. It was so good, and I actually have a cookie. I haven't seen this cookie yet. So we do, hey guys, welcome to my cookie unboxing. Whoa. The big one. It's chocolate and peanut butter. I think this is from my favorite. Yeah, I think this is from my favorite supermarket. It's gonna be a great morning. I'm watching Bed Knobs and Broomsticks because I just wanted to watch something a bit whimsical. My head's kind of fuzzy. I hope I'm not getting ill. Although, this would tell me otherwise. This is about as imperfect as it gets. 100% perfect girl.